going to show you this green eco damp proofing system. If you look on that, you can just see cold spots right side of that. Here it is. It's all the way around there. It's also around here as well. It's strange why it's installed so high up the wall. If you had a damp problem here, surely there'd be a slate damp course or something here. So all the render's bridging, the wall's touching, potentially bridging anything. Got this horrible plastic paint and that. Little holes in the path, little splits. But again, you've got bridging render all the way to the floor. This plastic protector coat, it just traps any moisture and prevents any evaporation from down low. And it goes all the way down the side of the building. Render's touching all the way across the floor. If you just walk down here a minute. It comes all the way along here as well. Somebody's painted like a bitumen. Again, stopping any moisture evaporating there. You put a land drain in, you see all the little holes all the way there, so it goes into a drain, but it's not going to drain into it because there's loads of holes there. So the best thing to do is just take that out, just to allow evaporation. And it comes all the way along here. All the way along here. If you look here, see a physical damp proof course. Physical damp proof course is very, very rarely foul. The problem in this part of the extension was it's a mould problem, and that is strictly down to ventilation issues, nothing else. There's no rising damp or nothing. Look at that. So how was that supposed to evaporate moisture? It doesn't work. Just makes the walls colder. Less expensive magic vents. That one's also higher on the right for some strange reason, probably because the wall was in the way. Thank you. As you can see in these pictures here, we've cut the bridge and render back and removed the paint, formed a bell mouth, and again on the side here, and this is just allowing wall base evaporation. This is what should have been done in the first place, none of these magic vents. Thanks for watching.